Hey, Wealth Saver, we're going to jump in while I'm working on Thanksgiving and talk about 10 genius hacks to save time and money while preparing for the holidays. Because after Thanksgiving, it's all about Christmas. Or if you're kind of like me, before Thanksgiving, it's still all about Christmas. So hack number 1 is creating a gift spending plan in advance. So one of the things we are super big on at TailoredWealthSaver is ensuring that our clients start planning for Christmas in July. Well, too bad it's not July anymore, it's November. So we need to go ahead and get this planning going now. We do offer a downloadable spending plan that you can sign up to receive if that's something you're interested in. Hack number 2 is shopping strategically. Make sure a sale is really actually a sale and not that it's just saying it's a sale. Use Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or even the Black Friday week and get the best deals possible. But make sure you actually have those deals set up in advance and you already have that spending plan good and ready to go. Now, hack number 3, I know y'all watching and enjoying me making macaroni. If you're trying to figure out what on earth I'm making, is macaroni and cheese. Make sure you season those noodles as well. So hack number 3 is knowing the 4 gift rule. What does that mean? That means if it does not fall into one of these 4 rules for a gift, if you want it, need it, wear it, or read it, and not necessarily you, but the person you're gifting it for, you probably should not gift them that gift. This is really good if you have children or like myself, godchildren, and you're trying to figure out ways to reduce spending and not overspend. Is it something they want? Is it something they need? Is it something that they will wear or something that they will read? Reading as well. And make sure when you're doing this, you're using our gift tracker that we have available. So number 4 is DIY decorations and gifts. So what exactly does that look like? So there are a lot of gifts that you can use. One of my favorite places to go is actually the Dollar Tree. A whole article that was published where I was featured in talking about why Dollar Tree is some of my favorite things to do. You can make some really nice gifts from Dollar Tree look very inexpensive. So those are some things to think about. Number 5, which is probably one of my favorite things, and it's kind of like what I'm doing right now, even though this is for Thanksgiving, is cooking freezer-friendly holiday meals. So even though this is macaroni and cheese, this is going to freeze very well, but it would freeze very well if there'd be some left over, but my family loves my macaroni and cheese, so that's probably not going to happen. But a way to save some time during the holidays while you're out shopping or last minute plans that come up, like, hey, let's go grab hot cocoa together, let's go see the Christmas lights, things like that. You may forget, oh my gosh, I was supposed to be doing meal prepping. But if you have that done in advance, that's super helpful and that allows you to have more time back to yourself. A gift that keeps giving is when you can give yourself more time in advance. Number 6, regifting done right. What on earth does that look like? So that looks like exactly what I said. Regifting a gift. No, it's not tacky, but make sure that it is done thoughtfully and it is an unused gift. So if someone gave you perfume or something, it's something that doesn't really fit your body scent well, maybe that's something that you could regift to someone who would actually appreciate it. But make sure that you haven't actually opened that bottle of perfume. That would be really tacky. Number 7, learn how to wrap gifts like a pro. So my mother, she can wrap really, really well. Me, on the other hand, you get in a gift bag. If you get something wrapped from me, you know that it was something I actually put a lot of thought into because I did not wrap it. I had somebody to wrap it for you. You're going to get a gift bag from me, but it's going to be a cute gift bag. But just think about how you can actually wrap a gift like a pro. And it's a great way to actually just do something that's inexpensive, or you can even make that a side hustle. If you're really good at wrapping gifts, charge people to wrap gifts, like maybe $5, $10, nothing too expensive, but that can be an easy way that you can make some money, knock down some debt, or use that money for gifts for other people. Hack number 8 is setting up a family secret Santa. This is one of my favorite things to do. So what is that? Everybody draws a name in advance. However, here's the deal. You cannot spend more than $20 on the gift. So make sure you go back to our other hack that we had, which was hack number 3. And when you know who you have for your secret Santa, who you drew, who you're getting your gift for, make sure it's something that they want, need, wear, or read. So make sure, all of these kind of fit into one another. Number 9 is a holiday card hack. So what does that mean? Go to Dollar Tree. Remember I mentioned Dollar Tree for decorations, things of that sort? Go to Dollar Tree for cards as well. It's a super easy thing that you can do, and it's inexpensive. Or if you want to be tech friendly, get a digital card for someone. It's actually kind of nice, and they have the digital cards now where you literally have to open them, like you have to click each time, and you know somebody thought about you. So it is thoughtful as well. And then number 10, shop local. This is huge. Shop local holiday markets. You can find some really neat things, and you can also find a lot of gifts. So remember, these are 10 quick hacks. Make sure if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button